The Chatelier's principle is a principle used to predict what changing different conditions will do to a system at equilibrium. These changes are temperature, pressure, and concentration. For question 3, we have NH4HS solid, and on the reactant side, and on the product side, we have NH3 gas and H2S gas. The formula for Kc would be a concentration of NH3 times the concentration of H2S, because NH4HS is a solid, and we are given a delta H of positive 41.2 kilojoules. The effect of adding NH4HS would be no effect, because it is a solid, so it doesn't have an effect on QC or Kc. The effect of lowering the temperature is, because this is an endothermic reaction, because the delta H is positive, which means heat is absorbed. That means that we can put the heat on the product side, and since we are taking away heat, meaning we're removing a product, means it will shift left. The effect of removing H2S would be it would shift right until equilibrium is restored, because H2S is a product. And the effect of decreasing the volume, it will, because the reaction will shift to the side with less moles, and the reactant side has 1 mole of gas, and the other side has 2 moles, that means it will shift left. For question 4, we have CH3OH gas on the reactant side, and CO gas and 2H2 gas on the product side. So our formula for K would be the concentration of CO times the concentration of H2 squared, because there's 2H2, divided by CH3OH, and we're given the delta H of positive 18 kilojoules. So the effect of lowering the temperature, because this is also an endothermic reaction, which means heat is absorbed, and that the heat is on the product side, if you were to put it into the equation. By taking away heat, that means we are removing product, which will make the reaction shift left. The effect of removing CH3OH, which is the product, would be the same as removing heat, which means it will shift left. The effect of adding more CO, because you're adding to the product side, that means it will shift left, and decreasing the volume will also make it shift left, because you have 1 mole on the reactant side and 2 moles on the product side, because it will shift to the side with less moles. So the interesting thing about question 4 is all of these things will make reaction shift left.